that. Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to cook a pork afritada. I have the pork here, the chili, onions, garlic, and the spring onions, and this one the beans, and the tomato, no tomato, potatoes, and the carrots. So the pork. So now it's loads of oil. As you can see, I didn't put any I only put a little bit of oil, but look at loads of oil. So the onions. This is called pork afritada. So garlic. Mix this one. Spring onions, the root part of the spring onions. Mix it like that. So now let's mix all together. Mix the meat with the spring onions, the onions and the garlic. Now I will add 1 cup of water or more. So let's add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt and a little bit of seasoning powder. So now let's cover it and leave it for around, cook it for around 1 hour or 30 minutes to make the meat soft. So let's check. Okay, now the meat is soft now, really soft. And we add the potatoes. Like that. So I just put the carrots. Carrots, good for the eyes. So mix together. Like that. And the chili. Chili is called red pepper. Mix together. So I will now put the beans. This is beans from the cans. So there's a nice sauce in here. Mix it. So mix this one together. So ready to serve later. I'll put the spring onions, the leaf parts of the spring onions. So now let's spread the spring onions. Spread all over. That. So now it's ready to serve. Ready to serve, guys. Pork, carrots, potatoes, spring onions, garlic, pepper powder, yeah, and chili. So now it's ready to serve for myself. So it's ready now. You need to turn off the Now I will taste this one. Look at the meat. It's super soft, the meat. Okay, let's taste this one. The carrots. Yeah, it's so juicy. Just simple cooking by me. Simple cooking, guys. Not simple cooking at home. So now let's taste it. So let's check. This is the meat. It's super soft. Look at the meat, guys. Super soft. Because I cooked this one for around almost 1 hour. Let's taste it. Look at. Yummy. Carrot is soft. Yummy. Super delicious. So super delicious, guys. Now I put this one in a glass of a bowl. So let's put it. If I don't finish this one, then I can put this one in the freezer. So yeah, like that. So anyway, thank you for this, anyone who is watching to my video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate that one. Thank you so much. I will try my best to upload a video. Yeah, like that. So it's nice, the consistency. Mas maganda yung consistency kasi sa beans, mayroon na siyang sauce yung beans. Beans in a can yung nabili ko. So, yun. That. Tuwan sa glass. Kasi pag after work, then I can eat this one. And only microwave because I don't have time. I don't have time to cook every day. I cook once a week. Usually once a week. So it's not beautiful day today. It's raining outside. It's raining outside, guys. This one. That. Thank you for always supporting my channel. For those anyone who keep watching to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you, Tim. I really appreciate it. So make it sure everything, nothing. So this one, I have the lid here. Mayroon na siyang lid. So mamaya, ang lakas ng hangin, guys, sa labas. Ang lakas ng hangin. Sobrang lakas. So ito na yun. Look at. So soft kasi if you want to make the meat really soft, you must boil it for around depends of you, cook it for almost 1 hour to make this soft with water. Yeah, it's ready and I have the lid here. So mayroon akong lid dito. Mamaya ilagay ko muna dyan like that. Then later, if this one is cold already, not hot, then I will put in the lid, then I'll put in the refrigerator. So guys, this is my cooking show at home. Simple cooking by me. Thank you so much. So it's raining today. It's a really bad day. Look at it's really cloudy. See, it's raining season. So yeah, and I have the rice here. Look at my rice. So it's okay that it's only 1 cup of rice, so plain rice. You can use this one as a plain rice. You don't need, or you can eat by just only this one because there's a potatoes, carrots, so you can eat. But for me, I prefer with rice. Yeah, I don't need to cook rice because I have a rice right. I cook rice this morning. So yes, so now I washed everything this one. So later on, I will eat my dinner time. Guys, so yeah, it's super, it's big. So it's raining, it's really bad day outside. So I hope you enjoy your day, guys, for those who is watching right now. So thank you so much. Bye bye.